Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Sit in Vajrasana with your palms on your upper thighs. Inhale deeply. Form Kaki Mudra with your lips and exhale through your mouth in multiple short, powerful diaphragmatic blasts while bending forward. Slowly raise your head off the ground and return to Vajrasana as you inhale. Perform 3 to 6 repetitions, then relax in Dharmika Asana. Inhale and slowly return to Vajrasana. Choose and perform one of the following 3 postures to balance Dharmika Asana. The last one, Supta Vajra Asana, is the most challenging. Finish by sitting in stillness and silence and observe the impact of the practice on your body, mind, and energy.